I mean, I'm curious with your grandfather, the connection to the paper, did you meet some of these Yiddish intellectuals who were coming through?
Sure. Here's Wolofsky's Zanikel, here's Wolofsky's, because when they'd come into the paper, I knew them all, they knew me. I lived just up street from the library. I greeted, my problem was that it was natural for me, but I was too young to really take advantage of it. I went off to university at age 17. It was natural, I knew them. I knew Medrash, I knew Ginsberg, I knew Rabinovich. I knew Rabinovich, I knew his son, David Ellen, Mrs. Rabinovich. They were natural. It was not, Melech Ravitch, when I was outside and would walk by and he'd greet me, and David Rome and Rochel Eisenberg and Rochel Korn these people, and I'd go to the library sometimes, and my sister used to go Saturday afternoons when she was young. There was a Ler Shainblum who used to take classes with the children and teach them artwork and painting on Shabbos on the afternoon. I took them for granted. I was too young. I recall once saying to A.M. Klein, because I tried reading his editorials, and it was a very highly literate writing. His language, his words. And I once said to him, Mr. Klein, I have problems reading. I have to use a dictionary. That's what you have to do. So he, when I spoke to his son, Sander, once about it, he says, yeah, he used to make me look in the dictionary too. So, but to really, as I said, I went off to university at age 17, out of Montreal, and I didn't, it's only after, in coming back, that I realized, maybe it's because I was too young to really be able to integrate that opportunity I had to sit with these people and share their ideas with me and share my ideas of a different generation.